friends. Today I talk about one was function is to teach other on behalf of God, a beginner of salvation, a survivor, a miracle worker. A teacher is a great listener of knowledge, prophecy, and light from which we can benefit greatly throughout our life. They tell their students the difference between respect and insult, and many more. Every teacher helps their students in choosing their path. Teachers' qualities are patience, empathy, adaptability, continuous learning, mindset. The simple definition of a teacher as the dictionary describes as a person who teaches, especially in school, but there is much more which dictionary and teacher in real life plays several roles, and a guardian, caretaker, institutor, learning facilities, mentor, etc. A teacher, learning facilitator, mentor, etc. A teacher is a person who shapes the future of everyone by providing best education to his students. Teachers plays a great role in the education of every student. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சுன்னா லைக், சப்ஸ்கிரைப், ஷேர் and comment.